These bunnies have called lop ears because they have long
They're
ears
funny.
hang down.
These little babies so
I
funny.
like the white
I
bunny.
know they're so pretty, aren't they?
Pretty,
They
isn't
got
it?
soft skin and soft feathers. I know, isn't it exciting? Yay! Look at him. Is this a video? Oh, no.
Yeah, I'm sure you'd like to
This
see
Tucky's
it.
awake now. Precious are
They'll hop off of your little mouth.
That's why they have them in a cage, so they don't hop away.
Yeah.
These ones go quack, quack. Remember Old MacDonald had a farm? There's a duck and he goes quack, quack.
I want to feel that one.